Artificial photosynthesis, harvesting sunlight for clean fuels. What if we could power our cars, homes and industries the same way plants power themselves, directly from sunlight? Today's energy landscape relies heavily on fossil fuels, driving climate change and resource depletion. Despite advances in solar panels and batteries, storing sunlight as a dense, transportable fuel remains a bottleneck. Could mimicking nature's own solar refinery solve our energy crisis? Plants split water molecules and fix carbon dioxide using sunlight. A two-step process in specialized cell structures called chloroplasts. First, light-harvesting pigments absorb photons, creating high-energy electrons. Those electrons drive water-splitting reactions that release oxygen and generate chemical carriers, ATP and NADPH. Next, the Calvin cycle uses those carriers to convert CO2 into sugars. How did evolution refine this complex choreography to near-perfect efficiency over billions of years? Inspired by leaves, researchers have built artificial leaves, devices that combine light absorbers with catalysts to split water and reduce CO2. Early prototypes used dye-sensitized photoelectrochemical cells, plates coated with light-absorbing dyes, and catalysts in an electrolyte bath. When illuminated, these cells generate a small current that drives fuel-making reactions. But can we boost their efficiency and stability to industrial scales? At the heart of every artificial photosynthesis system lies a photocatalyst, a semiconductor or molecular complex that absorbs light and catalyzes chemical transformations. Materials like titanium dioxide, silicon, and emerging perovskites each have strengths and weaknesses. Band gap energies, stability, and cost all play roles. Recently, researchers engineered cobalt-phosphate water oxidation catalysts that survive harsh conditions and nickel-based CO2 reduction catalysts that steer reactions toward methanol. Creating fuels at scale demands more than powerful materials. It requires clever reactor designs. Photoelectrochemical cells arrange photocatalysts on electrodes in thin layers, maximizing light capture and reactant flow. Flow reactors pump water and CO2 through channels packed with photocatalyst particles, ensuring continuous production. Some teams embed catalysts in 3D printed scaffolds to increase surface area. How will engineers integrate light, catalysts and fluids into modular units that can be mass manufactured? Artificial photosynthesis promises carbon-neutral fuels, hydrogen, methanol, or even gasoline substitutes made from sunlight, water, and air. Imagine fueling airplanes with sun liquid or storing seasonal solar energy in chemical bonds. Yet challenges remain. Current systems convert only 1 to 5% of solar energy into fuel, while commercial viability demands 10 to 15%. Materials degradation, catalyst cost, and CO2 sourcing must be solved. If you're excited by the prospect of sunlight fueling our future, hit like and subscribe to stay informed on breakthroughs that could power the world. Beyond standalone reactors, artificial photosynthesis could integrate with renewable grids. Excess daytime solar could feed artificial leaf farms, producing storable fuels for nighttime or peak demand. Co-locating reactors with industrial CO2 emitters, power plants or cement factories, could recycle waste carbon. Coupling with green hydrogen and battery storage creates a versatile, resilient energy ecosystem. What new infrastructures will emerge when we blend biology's lessons with engineering prowess? Artificial photosynthesis stands at the intersection of chemistry, material science, and renewable energy. As we step toward manufacturing our first million-litre batches of solar fuels, we must ask, what does a world powered by sunlight look like? Will artificial leaves become as ubiquitous as rooftop panels, silently converting our air and water into clean energy? The answer could redefine life on Earth. Are you ready to witness the dawn of sun-made fuel?